A young Nigerian man has sparked reactions online after alleging that he is being threatened by suspected bandits following his participation in a controversial social media giveaway. In a video circulating online, the man claimed he received 100,000 naira from an online giveaway allegedly organized by individuals identified as bandits. According to him, what initially appeared to be a fortunate opportunity has now turned into a frightening experience. The young man alleged that after collecting the money, he was later contacted and informed that he must provide 100 million naira or face serious consequences. Appealing to Nigerians for help, he said,
mo ní kí wá fi àsìkò yìí jẹ́wọ́ fún yín ni so lóòótọ́ àwọn bandits èmi náà mo come across orí FIP mi wà lórí life ní àná yẹn jẹ́ on 6 àti wà lọ́n sẹ́ń báyìí so wọ́n ń ṣe life wọ́n dẹ̀ ní mo yé wa pé àwọn máa fún ẹni tó wá di follow àwọn a máa fún ní owó so èmi náà dẹ̀ follow wà láàrin àwọn tí ó follow àwọn bandits mi. Okay, àwọn òbí apẹ nìyẹn kàn tó láti cash fund back mo follow máa yẹn ọmọ kékeré náà tiẹ̀ ní young boy so mo ìgbówó yẹn tán báyìí ní email wọlé ẹjọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ṣánú wa o ẹ̀ṣánú mi o ọdún mílíọ̀nù náà ní kí n mú wá o ọdún mílíọ̀nù náà ní kí n mú wá báyìí o ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ṣánú mi o èmi náà gbowó mo wà ní life lánàá yẹn o ẹjọ́ ẹ̀ṣánú mi ọdún 1,000 náà fún mi o mo ti gbówó yẹn báyìí direct báyìí ni mo rí email direct báyìí padà.
The development comes amid widespread controversy surrounding reports that some suspected bandits had allegedly distributed money through social media giveaways, with several Nigerians reportedly submitting their account details in hopes of receiving cash. The incident generated heated debate online, with many Nigerians expressing concern over the dangers of accepting money from unknown sources, particularly individuals linked to criminal activities. While the young man's claims have not been independently verified by security agencies at the time of this report, the story has ignited discussions about online safety, desperation driven by economic hardship, and the risk associated with engaging with suspected criminal networks on social media. Many social media users have advised Nigerians to exercise caution and avoid participating in giveaways or financial transactions linked to individuals whose identities and sources of funds cannot be verified. Authorities have yet to issue an official statement regarding the allegation.
Drop your opinions in the comment section so that others will learn. See you in the next one, but don't forget to follow me on this channel by subscribing. Bye for now.